Hey there, you know 2021 is going to be very different. In fact, 2020 is already very different in many ways. Many things has changed, and one of the greatest change is the way we communicate. In this video, I'm going to talk about why drawing your ideas is better than writing. Hi there, this is Tian Teck from Sticky Spy. Welcome to another episode of Amazing Sticky Presentations inspired by Sticky Spy, bringing you tips, ideas, design for better presentations, turning your ideas into lasting impressions. When presenting online, you want to have slides that your audience can see. Slides with content that are visual. Your audience are most likely viewing your slides from the very small screen of their mobile device. Having content that they can see is crucial. So, draw your ideas instead of writing them. Drawing is a very powerful way of expressing our ideas. And we know how to do this even before we learn how to write. During our age where we couldn't even speak, we always express by drawing. Draw when we are happy, draw when we are sad, draw when we encounter an experience. Drawing is a natural thing in all of us. After we learn how to write, we forgot how to draw. Designing presentation slides are very visual. So we want to draw our ideas instead of writing them. As we visualize how we want our ideas to be seen by the audience, we draw them on paper with pen or pencil. This is the most effective and direct way of transferring what we want the audience to see. Of course, prior to this, we should already have defined the objective of the presentation and have researched the content as well. If you are still watching, how about giving this video a like and consider subscribing to this channel for future videos. Now, take a blank piece of paper and mark areas to represent the slide. We can just quickly draw a few empty boxes. Then, in each box, draw what you want your audience to see. Let's say my presentation is about a study that I conducted on breakfast preferences. The first box in the slide most likely is a title slide. So I will draw a big few words that says the breakfast story. The second box, I will show key data collected from the study. In this case, 200,000 adults have breakfast every day. Then in the third box, a chart showing the trending sales of breakfast sets. Remember that each box represents one slide in your presentation. You can also call this paper drawing the storyboard. As you transfer your thinking to paper, you realize that you can do this very quickly. However, when you use technology to do this, it's going to take a while, at least in the planning stage. When you draw your ideas, remember not to use bullet points. Instead, think of a more visual format and arrange your text in a diagram that can be seen easily. You want your audience to see your slides, not to read them. This powerful approach works for me all the time. When I design my slides this way, I'm able to get more focus on the content because I do not have the technology getting in my way. Don't get me wrong, technology is good, but when we are planning and thinking, technology might slow us down and get in the way of our creative process. Tell me, will this drawing approach likely to work for you? Let me know in the comments below. So when planning for your next presentation, try drawing instead of writing. I'm sure you will get higher impact when you next present. Until my next video, happy drawing. Oh, and remember to subscribe to my channel. Bye bye.